Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone actually supports a fingerprint sensor. Go to Settings and check About. Once confirmed, make sure the battery is above 20% and remove any screen protector or case covering the sensor. You should wash and fully dry the finger you will enroll, because oils and moisture reduce accuracy. Now open Settings Passwords and Security Fingerprint and tap Add Fingerprint to begin the guided capture process. You will follow on-screen prompts to lift and reposition your finger. Do not press too hard or hold still too long. Make sure to capture the center, left, right, and top edges of the pad by angling the finger between scans so the algorithm builds a full map. Once one finger is stored, add a second finger or your thumb as a backup for different grip positions. This redundancy increases unlock success when you hold the phone differently. You should enable fingerprint unlock for screen and app locks, then test unlocking several times to confirm reliability. Keep the sensor clean by wiping with a dry microfiber cloth. Avoid alcohol on plastic sensors and never use wet or oily fingers. If accuracy degrades, more than about 1 in 5 attempts fail, or after a screen or case change, remove problematic fingerprints and re-register them. If problems persist, reboot the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.